In this section, I will give you a brief introduction of Chanwuyi lifestyle medicine. So what is Chanwuyi lifestyle medicine? The Chanwuyi lifestyle medicine was developed by me at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. I and my research team has conducted empirical evidence on this program since 2007. The program was designed based upon the traditional Chinese Chan medical concept, incorporate the conventional psychological intervention approach. Thus, it is an Eastern-Western integrative lifestyle medicine program. The Chanwiyi lifestyle medicine consists of 4 core elements, similar to the Western lifestyle medicine, that is, diet, exercise, stress management, emotional wellness. However, the Chanwuyi lifestyle medicine has its unique element within these 4 core elements of lifestyle medicine. Before we move on, let's talk about what is Chanwuyi first. Chanwuyi, Chan, Wushu, and healing originate from the Chinese culture that has developed more than thousands years ago. It is a wisdom of living pastime from the Chinese ancestor to achieve a peaceful mind, a healthy body, and a harmonic living. It is also a philosophical model for conceptualizing the world, nature, society, and the self. Besides, it is a practical way of living which includes suggestions how we should eat, exercise, treat ourselves, and interact with others. In sum, it is a lifestyle that can be considered as a medicine to improve one's physical and psychological health. So what is Chan? Chan means enlightenment, which is also known as Zen. This is a Japanese pronunciation. In China, it is pronounced as Chan. The purpose of practicing Chan is to obtain enlightenment and a better understanding of nature and the meaning of life. Also to bring a peaceful mind and stable emotion, achieve emotional and physical wellness, and live peacefully. So what is Wu? Wu means Kung Fu, martial art. Kung Fu is a unique culture in China, which makes Chanwuyi a unique lifestyle medicine program that is different from other Western programs. The type of Kung Fu in the Chanwuyi lifestyle medicine program is called Neigong. It's meaning that the Kung Fu from the internal energy of the body can also be considered a type of mind-body exercise. The purpose of practicing Neigong is to improve the physical and the mental health of individuals and to develop a calm and focused mind. So what is Yi? Yi means healing and improving. The purpose of learning and practicing Chanwuyi is to prevent or facilitate the treatment of illnesses. The Chan and Wu practice within the Chanwuyi principle has been developed based upon the Chinese health and medical concept. The way of thinking, eating, and living are developed towards a better lifestyle, hence prevent or treat some psychological and physical problem. Now, let's talk about the history for the development of Chanwuyi. Chanwuyi originates from Buddhism teaching. It is a unique Chinese culture because it was developed based upon Taoism, Chinese Chan Buddhism, and Confucianism. Chanwuyi thus is a unique Chinese Buddhism originated culture that emphasizes mental, physical, and social wellness. It can be considered as a traditional Chinese lifestyle medicine. Nowadays, the Grandmaster of Chanwuyi in China is Xi Dejian, who is the abbess of the Songshan Monastery. Chan is a branch of Buddhism was originated in India and later introduced to China around 500 AD. Buddhism emphasized a strong sense of compassion towards people and the world, and enlightenment towards ourselves. Taoism began around 700 to 200 BC, around the spring and autumn period to roaring stage period in ancient China. It emphasized the realization of the way among the universe, the world, and nature. Its principle can help to gain a better understanding of the relationship between nature, self, and others. The most representative text is Tao Te Ching, written by Lao Tzu, who was considered as the founder of Taoism. Confucianism, focusing on developing moral on both the personal and legal level. The core belief of Confucianism is that human being is teachable, improvable through self-cultivation, self-enhancement, and social enlightenment. The Chanwuyi lifestyle medicine, similar to the Western lifestyle medicine, have 4 core elements: diet, exercise, stress management, emotional well-being. However, within these 4 core elements, the Chanwuyi lifestyle medicine has its unique features, which is based upon the Chinese culture of Chanwuyi. This is the end of this section. Thanks for your attention.